What's up, everybody? Tonight we're making Panko Crusted chicken breast with a Parmesan garlic cream sauce. So, cheers and let's cook. I'm going to start by running 6 chicken cutlets through a 3-step breader. For that I have 1 cup of flour. I'm just going to season that with some salt, about 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon, and about a teaspoon of pepper. Just mix that in. Then I have 3 whipped eggs and 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. All I'm going to do is use 1 hand for dry, 1 hand for wet. Take my chicken cutlet, go into the flour, get it all around there. Get any excess flour off. We'll go into our egg, wet hand. Flip that over, get egg all over there. Let any excess drip off. And we go into our panko, back to dry hand. Using a wet hand and a dry hand, that will just stop you from breading your fingers the entire time and having huge breaded fingers when you're done. So, just cover that in the panko breadcrumbs, pat it on nicely. And that is ready to go. I'm just going to do that to the rest of my cutlets. We got our cutlets breaded up, so now it's time to head to the stove. At the stove, I'm going to heat up a cast iron pan. Let that pan start getting hot. Now I'm going to add some olive oil. Just cover the bottom of that pan. And let that oil heat up over medium heat. The oil is getting nice and hot, so now I'm going to go in with my cutlets. I'm going to do these 2 or 3 at a time so I don't overcrowd my pan. And I'm just going to brown each side about 2 minutes on either side until they're nice and golden brown. I'm going to take them out, put them on a sheet tray, and go into a 400-degree oven until they're 165 degrees. Our chicken cutlets are beautifully browned. Now I'm going to go into the oven for about 8 minutes or until they're 165 degrees while we make our sauce. So I just wipe that pan out. Now I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that butter melt. Butter is melted. I'm going in with 3 cloves of garlic minced. I'm just going to saute that in that butter so that garlic gets nice and soft. I'm doing that over medium heat. Our garlic is just starting to brown, so I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of flour. Just stir that in. I'm going to turn that down to medium-low. Let that flour cook for just a second. Going in with about a 1/4 cup of white wine. Stir that in, let that alcohol burn off. Now I got a 1/2 cup or 3/4 of a cup of chicken stock. Bring that back up to a simmer. I'm going to turn my heat up to medium-high. That stock is simmering away, and our flour is nice and mixed in, so it's nice and smooth. And now I'm going to go in with 1 cup of heavy cream. Bring that back to a simmer. Our cream is at a simmer, so now I'm just going to let that reduce for about a minute. Thicken up a little bit. That is looking good. So now I'm going to go in with about 3/4 of a cup of grated Parmesan and season that with a teaspoon or so of salt. You can adjust that once it's done. Stir that in, and that looks amazing. Sauce is ready to go. Our sauce is ready to go, and our chicken just came out of the oven. So all we got left is to plate it up and see what we got. To plate, we're going to get a nice ladle of our sauce. Right into the middle. Nice pool of that. We'll take 2 of our cutlets. Right on top. A little fresh parsley here. Give that a rough chop. Parsley right over the top. We are ready to eat. We got some gorgeous golden brown crispy chicken here that is super juicy and a nice delicious sauce to go with it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.